Hey guys, welcome back to the Easy Life. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. So finally your sister decided to get herself a ring light. Stay tuned. So I ordered this from Amazon Prime. I think when was that? On Wednesday, and it came on Friday. So I'm going to unbox my ring light and install it and show you how it goes. So please stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching my old videos. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification button so you get all my videos. Please hit the button, and please don't forget to tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. So this is it. This is my box from Amazon. So I'm going to open it and show you how it goes. This is my ring light. So I'm going to open it up. I go give you joy, make a rose, yeah, baby. I go give you joy all night. Girl, say I take you to Tokyo. Girl, I go take you to Paris. Girl, I go take you to London. I go tell them, send you, I be one gone. 18 inches, baby. So this is the manual. It comes in French and in French and in other languages. I think English will be right here. Ooh, I think German also. Dutch. So, ring light installation instructions. This is a thank you note from the seller. So, this is the packing list. It's supposed to come with a dimmable ring light, ball head, smartphone holder, a Bluetooth receiver, adapter, soft tube, 61 inches, 155 centimeter light stand, white and orange color filter set, and carrying bag. So I think all of the items are right here. So this is the stand. White and orange filters. Dimmable ring light, the 18 inches with a ball head. Adapter, power adapter. Smartphone holder. This is a soft tube. The Bluetooth remote shutter and receiver. So I've shown you the carrying bag already. So this is the bag. This is the plug. So everything that was supposed to come with the lights came in. So I'm now going to install it. So watch me as I install, and afterwards I'm going to test it out. Okay, so see you soon. So it came with a ring light installation instructions. So that's what I'm going to look on to install my ring light. I'm going to install the soft tube now. So don't come and once me die, oh no me chance me die, or they ever cry.
go play you like Maradona. I go give you joy, make a hold ya. Baby, I go give you joy all night. Girl say I take you to Tokyo. Girl, I go take you to China. Girl, I go take you to London. I go tell them, send you, I be one gone. Girl, I go take you to Lagos. Girl, I go take you to Ghana. Girl, I go take you to Taiwan.
So I'm now going to install the cold shoe so that I install my camera onto it. So this is the iPhone, the smartphone holder in case you want to use your phone. This is it. So let me put on the ring light. The switch is right here. So this is it. You can adjust the ring light to the length that you want using these. So right now I'm going to transfer the camera to the ring light, put on the light, and then show you the difference. So tell you what happens. I am grateful that I bought this. It was a steal because it was less than $110 and it's 18 inches. It came with all these good stuff, so I'm glad I bought it. So stay tuned. Let me adjust the lights for you to see something. So let's see. Now I've dimmed the light, so let me brighten it and brighten it all the way. Ooh. Let me reduce it. I have to dim it. One color, then you use the orange filter. This how the see, just one orange filter. This is how it looks like without the orange filter. So this is a great buy. So let me use the remote control. I think I have to put on my Bluetooth first, but there it is. The cold shoe is stable. The light is very bright. Everything is great. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also hit the notification button. And please stay tuned for more great and wonderful videos. Have a great and wonderful day. Bye.
Take you to Lagos, girl, I go take you to Ghana. Girl, I go take you to Taiwan. I go tell them, say now you be the one gone.